Mailchimp does not support directly attaching files to emails, but you can share files by linking to them. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log in with your credentials. Create or edit a campaign. Click on Campaigns and either create a new campaign by clicking Create Campaign or select an existing campaign to edit. Access the email builder. Click Design Email to enter the email builder where you can customize your email content. Upload your file. In the Content section, click on any text block where you want to add the link to your file. Highlight the text where you want to insert the link or create a new button to link the file. Click the link icon in the toolbar. Link to the file. In the link options, click File. Click Upload to upload the file from your computer. This can be a PDF, Word document, image, etc. Once uploaded, select the file and click Insert. This file link will be inserted into your email content. Customize the link text or button. If using a text link, highlight the text you want to hyperlink and paste the file URL. For a button, enter the URL directly into the link field in the button settings. Save and test. Click Save and close to save your changes. Use the preview option to ensure the link works correctly. Send a test email to yourself to verify the link directs to the file. Send your campaign. Once confirmed, finalize your email content and send your campaign.